Hello, everybody. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this video, I am going to talk about how to take input of a character. In a previous video, I have discussed that how you can take input of string and how you can take input of string with spaces. We have already done like 12 videos in this playlist. I hope you have already watched those videos. This is the 13th video, and I have completed 5 programs in this playlist. So, if you have not watched them, kindly watch the previous lectures and the videos and then come back in this video. So, here I am taking pro6.java as the name of file, and here I will be taking input of a character. So, that is different as compared to normal input of a string. So, let's see how we can do that. I'm taking import java.util.scanner because that's obviously necessary to take input. Then I'm creating class pro6. Then public static void main scanner ob equals to new scanner system.in. Then here I'm taking ch equals to, char equals to ch to take input of a character. Char ch to take input of a character. And here I am entering, like I am giving the message for the user, enter a character. Then ch equals to ob dot next. So here we have to take ob dot next dot char at 0. So this char at 0 will be actually able to take the input of a single character, which is at the 0th index. So here I am printing character is ch. Okay. So let's try to run this program and check that how far it is working well. pro6.java. I have already told in the previous videos that how you can set the path of Java on the command prompt. So in case you have doubt, please check the video like previously uploaded in this playlist, so you will be able to get it. Suppose I am entering a character, so you can see whatever character we are entering, we are able to get it. In case the user enters a complete word, then also you can see that we are able to get a single character as printing, because in this program our agenda is to take input of a single character. So whatever the user is entering, like after the message enter a character, if the user is entering a complete word, then also it should print only a single character. It should take input only of a single character, and you can see how we can do this. So I hope this particular program is clear to you. In case you have any query, you are free to ask it in the comment section. I will be definitely helping you out. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
Thank you.